Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the adapter is active. Passive cables won't convert analog VGA to USB. Once verified, power down if the adapter instructions ask for it, and find the VGA port on the source device and a USB port on the target computer. Make sure cables are intact and any screws or grounding clips are at hand. Plugging while hot can work, but following the adapter's power guidance avoids detection issues. Now plug the VGA connector firmly into the source. After physically connecting, install the manufacturer's driver. This converts the USB endpoint into a video output. Once installed, plug the USB end into the computer and wait for device enumeration. Then open display settings to detect the new monitor, extend or duplicate displays, and set the correct resolution and refresh rate. Incorrect settings cause flicker. If the device doesn't appear, open Device Manager and look for a USB display node. If it shows errors, update, or with the adapter detected and settings adjusted, secure the VGA connector and ensure the USB plug is fully seated. Loose connections cause intermittent video. Once done, calibrate color, scaling, and orientation so the image matches expected output. If video is choppy or absent, first try another USB port and then a different VGA cable. Make sure the adapter is active and the driver matches your OS. If problems persist, test the adapter on another computer to isolate whether the adapter or the host is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.